Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 16 from the playlist of moving charges and magnetism. The topic for the today's session is the comparison of the magnetic field at 2 points on the axial line of a current carrying loop. So based on this topic, I have taken one question for this session which was asked in the IIT JEE main exam this year in the month of January. So the question here is very simple, and the question is the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop of radius capital R is 16 micro Tesla. So the magnetic field at a distance root 3r from the center on its axis is. So this session is basically based on the session number 13, in which we have derived the equation for the magnetic field at any point on the axial line of a current carrying loop. So this is for example, this is a current carrying loop, this is the center of it, and this is the axial line, this is the center of the current carrying loop. Let us say the current which is flowing in this conductor is equal to I, and this let us say this is a point P here, which is at a distance of root 3 r from the center of this current carrying loop on the axial line. So in the session number 13 we have learned that we have derived the equation for the magnetic field, that is the magnetic field on the axial line of a at any point on the axial line of a current carrying loop is equal to mu naught n I r square divided by 2 r square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. Here r is the radius and x is the distance of that point from the center of the current carrying loop on the axial line. So here I am taking the number of turns in this current carrying loop as 1, that is here n is equal to 1. So the magnetic field at the center, I am just taking this as BO. So BO, which is the magnetic field at the center of this current carrying loop, will be equal to mu naught r square, where r is the radius of this current carrying loop, 2, and here x will be equal to 0. So this will be equal to r cube, and so this is equal to mu naught r square n I mu naught I divided by, this will be equal to 2r. So I am just writing the value of this magnetic field at the center of the current carrying loop, which is equal to mu naught I divided by 2r. Now we have to find the magnetic field at a distance root 3r from the center of this current carrying loop on the axial line. So I am just taking this magnetic field, I am just denoting this magnetic field as Bx. So Bx, this is equal to mu naught, n has been taken, that is the number of turns in this current carrying loop has been taken as 1. So this will be equal to mu naught, n is equal to 1 I r square divided by 2 r square plus x. Now here x is equal to root 3r, so x square will be equal to 3r square to the power 3 by 2. So this is equal to mu naught I r square. This will become 4r square, and 4r square can be written as 2r whole square to the power 3 by 2. So from here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So finally I will be getting mu naught I r square divided by 2, and this will be equal to 2 into 2, this will be equal to 2 r to the power 3, and this is equal to mu naught I r square and this will be equal to 16 r cube, and finally the value of the magnetic field at a distance root 3r from the center of this current carrying loop on the axial line, this will be equal to mu naught I upon 16 r. So we have, so finally now this B naught, that is the magnetic field at the center of the current carrying loop, is equal to mu naught I upon 2r, and this is equal to 16 micro Tesla. So Bx, that is the magnetic field at this point P, which is at a distance root 3r from the center on the axial line of this current carrying loop, this will be equal to, this is equal to mu naught I, and this is 16r, so 16r can further be written as 2r into 1 by 8. So here this mu naught I upon 2r, this is equal to, this mu naught I upon 2r is equal to 16 micro Tesla, and divide by 8. So this is equal to 2 micro Tesla. So here the correct option is B, that is 2 micro Tesla. So in this question we have to simply use the formula, the general formula for the magnetic field on the axial line of a current carrying loop, and thereafter we have calculated the magnetic field at the center of the current carrying loop and at this point P, which was at a distance of root 3r from the center on the axial line of this current carrying loop. So by comparison we got the answer, that is the magnetic field at the distance root 3r from the center on its axis is equal to 2 micro Tesla. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of the magnetic field on the axial line of this current carrying loop. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.